Hello everybody and welcome to my Lush bath bomb unboxing. I have been super lucky and today the Lush fairy delivered me this amazing box of goodies. In total I spent about £53 on this box including the shipping fee. So let's take a look at what we've got inside the box. As you can see, it's packaged really well and everything all the packaging and everything is recyclable, and you are given details on that within the box. So first of all, I have the strawberries and cream bath bomb. Now this is a new product and it retails for $3.95 in the UK and $5.95 in the USA. And they've done a really great job with the scent on this. It smells of strawberries, obviously, you'd expect it to, and I just really love the design. It's really fun and fruity, and I love how the cream is kind of sandwiched between the two strawberry halves. And the bath bomb has a really great texture, and the attention to detail with the seeds and the leaves built into the overall appearance is beautiful, and it's just a really stunning bath bomb. So next up, we have the Geode bath bomb, and the tagline is "Sedimentary, my dear Watson," which is an awesome play on words, especially if you are a fan of Sherlock. Now, this is a new product, and it retails for $5.95 in the UK and $6.45 in the USA. And the website description says that it is formed from mineral-rich salts and antibacterial sodium bicarbonate, which draws out the impurities from your skin and leaves it feeling really cleansed. So I'm really looking forward to getting to use this bath bomb. Next, we have the Figaro bath bomb, which is also a new product, and it has a really herbal kind of fruity scent. And the product retails for $3.95 in the UK and $5.95 in the USA. And it is described as having kind of a herbal quartet of peppermint, sage, thyme, and eucalyptus oil. And I really like the fact that the colours are really soothing and pastely. And is it in the shape of a fig? I mean, I'm not really sure. I think it is supposed to be in the shape of a fig. It's just really fun looking. So coming up next, we have the Cyanide pill. And it's perhaps one of the Lush's darker bath bombs in nature, but by no means in colour. And what I really like about it is the fact that it is a fun bath bomb. I love the colours. I love the kind of the yellow and the white mixed in together. And I think it's supposed to be quite an explosive bath bomb, as it has popping candy inside of it. And I expect it to be really explosive when it goes in my bath. And I really think it's supposed to have like a lemony citrus scent to it. So we'll have to see how that works when it goes in my bath. I'm really looking forward to demoing that one. Next, we have the Splash Bath Bomb. It is a new product, and I just absolutely adore the colour of this bath bomb. It's my favourite colour. I love blue. It's amazing. And I'm expecting it to make the water really gorgeous. I'm expecting to make this really nice blue colour, so I really hope it does. And it retails for $5.95 in the UK and $7.59 in the USA. And I think it's supposed to be kind of another citrusy scented bath bomb. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that scent comes out when it goes into the bath. I think it's going to be a really nice kind of relaxing bath bomb for you guys to use. So I'm excited about demoing that for you. And I just really love the way that this has all been packaged. I mean, it's been packaged really well. Most of my products have come perfectly, and it will have been banged about a bit in transit. And there's only a few tiny little problems with the bath bombs, which I'm pointing out as we go along, where it's just cracked slightly. So next up, we have this limited edition Madam President bath bomb, which retails for $4.95 in the UK and $6.95 in the USA. And it is a super fun design, which encompasses an American design with the stars and the fun colours. And this bath bomb has a kind of earthy floral scent, and it promises to be a really fun bath bomb. So I'm really excited to see how this kind of dissolves in the bath, because I'm expecting a lot from this one. Now we have the Comforter bath bomb, and I love the Comforter bubble bars, so I was really excited to try the bath bomb to see what it's like. And this is a new product, and it retails for $3.95 in the UK and $6.95 in the USA. And this bath bomb is an awesome shade of pink. I love how the pink kind of changes tones and is in the shape of a berry. The scent is kind of berry-like too, so I'm really looking forward to trying this one. And as I said before, I love the fact that the Comforter Bath Bomb makes lots of bubbles. Well, the Comforter Bubble Bar makes lots of bubbles, so I'm hoping that the Bath Bomb does too as well. So coming up next, now I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, so do tell me if I pronounced it wrong. It's the Harajuku Bath Bomb, which is also a new bath bomb, and it has absolutely amazing colours. I'm really excited about how seeing this one works in the bath. And it retails for $5.95 in the UK and $7.95 in the USA. And it has a kind of sweet-like scent. And I think it's going to be really colourful. I really hope it is colourful in the bath, but we'll see. And I love the way that the yellow and the pink and the white swirls all kind of swirl together on the bath bomb. I think it looks amazing. Now we have, those of you that perhaps ever saw the movie that this is kind of hinted at, we have the Honey I Washed the Kids bath bomb. And I think it's supposed to be a really fun bath bomb. And it retails for $3.95 in the UK and $6.95 in the USA. And I'm always drawn to yellow bath bombs. I don't know why, I just love them. They're so pretty. And I really like the design of this bath bomb. It's really fun with the orange dots. And I think it's just going to be a really exciting, fun bath bomb. I really hope that it does a lot when I put it in the water, because I feel like with the name, Honey, I Washed the Kids, it's supposed to be kind of a fun, exciting one. So I'm really hoping it does a lot when it goes in the water. And I'm excited to see what kind of scents come out from this one, because I think it's going to be a super, super, super fun one. It's quite large, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a slow burner or not, so we'll see. So next we have the Marshmallow World Bath Bomb, which has amazing colours. And I really love the kind of contrast of the yellow in the pink. And this retails for $5.95 in the UK and $7.45 in the USA. And it has a kind of sweet-like scent, and it smells amazing. The website describes it as a marshmallow powder that's kind of meant to soothe and soften. And I think it's just meant to be really fun and almost like those kind of fun, kind of kiddie sweet kind of ones. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and look out for my demos, which will be coming out very soon. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time.